Have you ever thought about getting a lake assessment, which will give you the information you need to make an educated stocking rate or management plan? Assessments can be expensive and sometimes water conditions can make it difficult. For example, if total dissolved solids are too high, electrofishing will not work properly. LakeLens is a cost-effective solution that can help you manage your pond or lake effectively. LakeLens Assessment Kit is a turnkey solution. First, keep the box to return to our facility. We provide a return label. Second, fill the 2 provided bottles with pond water from 2 different locations. Seal and put in the 2 bubble wrap packages. Third, have fun and fish for at least an hour. Collect 5 scales from each largemouth bass. Each bass will have its own envelope. Put weight and length on envelope and seal it. Keep track of all fish you catch with the log provided. Fourth step, place everything back into the box. Fill out the record sheet with name, phone and address to the pond. Drop it back in the mail. We take care of the rest. Once we get everything back to our facility, we examine scales to determine age, and with the weight and length we can put together a planned approach to your pond and lake management needs. Let's go through removing a few scales. Scale aging method of largemouth bass is the safest and a non-lethal way of aging. To remove a scale from a largemouth bass for aging, you can use the blunt edge of a knife. In this case I am using a pen with the point retracted, to not harm the fish. Gently scrape the scales toward the tail, just under the front edge of the dorsal fin and above the lateral line. Take 5 scales from each fish sampled. This will help with accuracy. Scales from 1 fish will go in 1 envelope with weight and length written on that envelope. Then you can release the fish back into the lake. Our water testing is very comprehensive. We will test for lead, iron, copper, nitrites, nitrates, fluoride, manganese, zinc, pH, sulfates, mercury, total alkalinity, hardness, total chlorine, hydrogen sulfide and sodium chloride. We can even test for bacteria. We wrap everything up in a report and offer solutions and lake management plans to help improve water quality and get the most out of your fishery. LakeLens Assessment Kit by Lake Master Pros. A clear vision for a healthy lake.